Along Catchwater, 2 bays, a dragon and it's back. We're finishing the Hong Kong Trail right here on Drone and Phone. Well, we're on section 8 of the Hong Kong Trail. The last two sections, 7 and 8 today, it's going to be a lot longer than previous days. How are you feeling, George?
I'm pretty excited. It's my first time hiking up to Dragon's Back in Drone and Phone.
Okay, so the first section, section 7, we're going to be hiking along a catchwater. Not that interesting, quite long but very flat. And then we really get the highlight of the whole of the trail, the Dragon's Back and down into Big Wave Bay. It's going to be a great day. Let's go.
Yep, let's go.
Of the city's 4 long trails, the Hong Kong Trail is the shortest, easiest and most shaded. This makes it a perfect start to conquering the 4 big ones, a must for any serious Hong Kong hiker. Opened in 1985, the 46-kilometre hike is split into 8 sections that take you from Victoria Peak to Big Wave Bay. The walk starts at the north end of the Tai Tam Reservoir Dam and follows along Catchwater with views over Tai Tam Bay. The last section takes you up and over the Dragon's Back through Shau Kai Park and down to Big Wave Bay. So on section 7 you will be following this catchwater for most of the way. Occasionally it does open up, but let me show you where we're going to be going. If you look out over here you can see we're going right the way along the side of here. We've come around the side doing this little big loop up to that far beach, and then we're going to go up to the top of there. That's the beginning of the Dragon's Back. Once you get down to To Tei Wan, the trail turns sharply up to the left on a steep set of steps that takes you first to Shau Road, where section 7 officially ends, and then up some more steps to the start of Dragon's Back.
Okay, that's it for section 7.
End of section 7. I've got to say, section 7 is fairly straightforward. It's pretty flat, it's on concrete most of the way, it's quite long. We've done about 7.5 kilometers. The next section is really the prize
Time to climb
that we've come for. It's Dragon's Back. Let's go. Dragon's Back gets its name from the shape of the ridge, which you follow with wide open views on both sides. The hike is one of Hong Kong's most famous and popular due to the ease of the climb compared to other ridge walks in the region. Well, section 8, the last in the Hong Kong Trail, starts as the last one finished with a straight up onto the top of the ridge, and then from there it's going to be a nice pleasant stroll all the way down to Big Wave Bay. We're expecting this to be the longest of the sections that we've done so far, so we'll see how we do. So after the joys of the Dragon's Back, there's a long, fairly flat hike along this wide path, which turns out at a road which we're just getting to now, and then we'll start the descent down to Big Wave Bay. The final downhill to Big Wave Bay through Shau Kai Park makes for a well-deserved finish to the trail. It's a beautiful forest walk with streams and artworks along the way.
100! We reached the 100 sign finally!
But it's not really 100, it's only about 42, 43 kilometres. But it still says 100, so we can say 50. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Allow time to soak in the beach and watch the surface at the end of the hike. There are also changing facilities and showers at the public beach if you fancy a dip yourself. From the beach there is a minibus or taxis to take you back to Chai Wan. Well, that's it, the Hong Kong Trail. 7 and 8 today. 7 was pretty straightforward, 8 a little bit more dramatic. It's been a beautiful day. How was it for you, George?
I love it. I can't wait to do the next trail. It was easy, flat, and easy, gentle, nice views, everything that you want.
It's going to be a lot tougher for George next time. Now, if you're just finding us, please search us out on YouTube. You'll also find us on our website at droneandphone.com. Please subscribe there. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm George.
And this is Drone and Phone.